Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now today I'm back in our showroom area. Once again, if you're a distributor for WireCrafters, this is the place you want to come. We got a lot of different applications that you can see here. Today I'm looking at our GuardLock. This is primarily sold by our automation team, but they're also working with our material handling dealers. So this GuardLock, it provides a lot of safety. It works in conjunction with safety interlocks. It can be used on both hinged and slide doors. So what this GuardLock has, also on the inside, it has a quick release here. So if someone's on the inside, they've got to be able to get out quick because there could be robotics, automated machine, something that could be harmful to them. If the door is open and someone is inside working on robotics or automated equipment, there's also an opportunity for them to put a padlock on here so no one can close the door if they didn't know they were in there and then they start up the machine. We work with companies like Fortress, IDEM, Oichner, AB&B. They have a lot of different type of interlocks that are both contact and non-contact. We can work with a lot of different products here. So if you've got equipment out on your manufacturing floor or in your warehouse or distribution center where there's automated equipment, where there's robotics, and you need to put safety switches, we can provide you with this GuardLock. We can work with you on that. That's all we got this week. We'll see you again next Monday on another episode of Mondays with Milt.